Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Dogecoin wallet account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the My Doge Wallet app. You can easily download it from your Play Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to create a Dogecoin wallet account, here you can see create a wallet option, tap on it. Over here, you will need to set a 6-digit PIN. Again, re-enter the same PIN. After that, tap on this confirm PIN button at the bottom. You will need to back up your wallet account. So there are two options, whether you want to back up to cloud or write on paper. You can choose accordingly. Set a password for the backup. Make sure that you use a strong and secured password and which is easy to remember for you. Once done, you can tap on this confirm backup option. Allow the permission to your Google account for the backup. And there you go, you've successfully created the Dogecoin wallet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.